Happy automation!
Hey guys, today we are going to explore xpath selector because it's a really useful selecting an element during your automation workflow. So let's move on it. First you will press here to select an element which you want to target. Here you can see I want to assign this element, so I'll press here. You can see in the element section here is anchor link. I'll put here anchor link. Here is 2/ mean indirect child. If I'll put just a single slash, it's mean a direct child. So I'll put here a tag and also put here brackets at the start and at the end. Now here also put a bracket to indicate which index I want to target. Like I'll target here first index. You can see it's a first index. If you want to select a first index, you can assign looks like this. And if you want to target an element with its attribute, you can see its attribute is class with the name of brand logo. So I'll type here a and put here bracket. In a case of select attribute of element, you will put here a sign of @ and here a name of attribute and its value will be brand logo. That makes sense because it seems that it's not changeable. So I'll type here. Now you can see it's the same anchor link which is targeted by its class. Now we are moving to advanced functionality of xpath selector. That's how you can select a element with its text. Like I'll type here text. If you want to select a text, you will need to type here text with the brackets and type here a equal sign, and here will be a text of your element like RPA challenge. You can see it's successfully targeted. It's a case sensitive selector, so sometimes we have not actual text but some containing of text like just only challenge. So I want to choose an element with the tag of anchored link with its text that is challenge. So I'll type here contains, put here it's a text on the left side, and on the right side I'll put here value of text. You can see it's the same but select with the containing of text, not an actual text, just a containing of text. I hope you understand. Now we'll move advanced selection of text. Like I'll put here starts with. That's mean I want to select an element with the anchor link which text will be start its given value, like starts with. Now I'll put here RPA. We can see that it's on the right side. It's not a unique element, so I cannot choose this element in our automation workflow because it's not a unique, because it's a one of. We can see here it's a second element which have a same attribute, so make it so unique by giving further text like a ch. You can see that this is assign an element with the text which is starting with the RPA and with the further characters. You can further explore it. Start with, if you want to select a direct, you can also put your class in a contains function like a contains, and I want to target class, so I'll put here @ sign and class, that's a logo. Now I'll close it. We can see it's target an element with the containing a class value of logo. I hope you understand. If you want to further explore xpath, you can visit here cheat sheet. I'll also put a link of this sheet in a description. You can visit and further explore. I hope it's useful to select an element. Remember that your select must be unique and doesn't changeable after a refresh of page or occur any event, like when I will press any key and change any attribute. I hope you understand how you can select an element with the advanced functionality of xpath.